What's up? What's poppin'? How you doing? So in today's video, we are reviewing another Nike Low Dunks, and today we are reviewing the black and white. As you guys know, this year has been the year of dunks, I think. Like, there's so many colorways that has been released this year. Like, look at these, look at that, so many options. Which one is your favorite color dunks? And I believe all of these are just general release. That means the quantity of these are much higher than the special project, because for my research, the Kentucky and the University Red, those are special project, and that's why the price are much higher than these. I love these color. I wish I could have one of these. I would choose the Kentucky more than the red. I want it. Anyways, I can't wait to show you guys. But before that though, if you guys are new here in my channel, hi, my name is Mikey and I post videos every single week. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. You already know where it is. Guys, come on. It's free $99. Come on, hop in. Alrighty guys, let's open this. I actually saw these already, but I do want to review it because I know you guys are probably interested. It looks like you guys loved my Nike Dunks unboxing, so I'm excited to open this and share these other dunks with you guys because I loved my Coast Dunks. My boyfriend and I actually went to a sneaker con. So many good stuff in there, but everyone is taxing. Like, oh my gosh, everyone was so expensive. Like, you really have to bargain or really have to look for the people that are like selling it for less. So this is what the box looks like. Did I tell you I got the Nike Low Dunks in black and white, and I got it in size 8. There you go. Actually, there they had eBay authentication, which I went there and I wanted them to authenticate my shoe because, you know, you never know. So I love that you can just go for free and they can authenticate and see if you have bought some fake shoes. So this is authentic and I'm gonna show you guys how it works. They looked at it, they checked it, they smell it, they did all this jazz so that they can make sure that it is authentic, and I love that. Anyways, it made me miss the convention. Like, I wish we have that every month, but I'll be broke if that happens. Anyways, let me show it to you. Oh, there's a card, but anyways, this is an eBay card right here. They're basically letting us know that they do sell the authentication guarantee for free. So if you're selling the sneaker more than $100, they can authenticate it, making sure that you have an authentic shoe. It says right here,
game changer for you as sellers. It's free to sell sneakers $100 plus.
If you're buying or selling more than $100 sneakers, then it is guaranteed that it will be authenticated. They're actually a savage because they are comparing it to the GOAT and STOCKX. Anyways, let's move on to the actual shoes. Look at these babies right here. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Look at that. I cannot wait to wear it. Literally, I can wear this anytime I want because the color is literally just black and white. I can style it anytime, anywhere. Love that for us. Since eBay authenticated it, did you guys see that tag right here? Literally so cool because this tag right here, you tap it on your phone and it brings up the guarantee authentication on your phone and you can see more information, all that jazz. Well, let me just show you how it works. So I have my phone right here. I'm not gonna lie, I was so confused at first because I was trying to tap this thing right here and nothing is coming up because I have an iPhone. So if you guys are iPhone user, make sure to download the NFC reader. If you guys have Android, which is awesome, you don't have to download anything. So the way it works, I do have the NFC reader right here and I can scan it and literally just tap it and it will bring up the information. So if I open it, it brings up the authenticated shoes right there, which is awesome. So cool. Like, StockX, what? Anyways, I just wanted to share that because I think it was so cool. So if you guys have not bought anything from eBay, you know, eBay is kind of sketchy, but with these guarantee authenticity, I feel like I'm more comfortable buying there. So yes, Anyways, this shoe was actually released on January 2021, and to be honest, they are all over the place. Like DTLR dropping it on a different day as a sneaker app. All I know, it was dropped on January 2021, and I believe they had a second batch in April, which I missed. Of course, if you guys were lucky, this had a retail price of $100, but now, not anymore. So easy because it is literally just black and white, and I love that because I can wear it with anything, anytime, anywhere. Love it. Like I said, they have released so many colorways, but I think the Coast and the Panda, or the black and white, are like my favorite ones. The Coast is very statement shoe, like you work your style around it because literally it's like a bright baby blue. But this thing I can literally wear with anything. Also, shameless plug, if you guys are interested on the Coast, I also have an unboxing on that. I did buy that on StockX, and I kind of share my experience where I started bidding and I ended up buying it and unboxing it. So yeah, if you guys are interested on that, make sure to check it out, but after this video though. Here's an up close look at this dunk. It has two colorways, black and white. The material looks like it was made from synthetic leather. The swoosh is also in the same black material. This is what the heels looks like and what the back looks like. It has this Nike embroidery in white, and look at those crisp stitching, you guys. The tongue is in nylon black tag with Nike branding in white, and these comes with the standard black flat laces with no extra laces. I just love everything about these shoes. This resell around $300 to $600. It really depends on your sizing, but actually guys, I got lucky because I got this for $250. I feel like I got $50 discount. Like, yes. And of course, I'm not gonna forget this time we have an on feet montage.
I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. And somebody's on messed up. Be damned if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Really, you fucked you over cause you let him. Fuck him, girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me.
And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give it a like if you like it. Also subscribe if you haven't. I love this shoe so much. Anyways, before I forget, today's shout out goes to you. Thank you so much for commenting. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys. I love my shoe. Bye.